Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Buju Banton Day declared in the city of Lauderdale Lakes. The city's commissioner, Carleen Maxwell Williams, presented the proclamation to the Grammy-winning artist earlier this week for his contribution to reggae music.
I have the honor of giving this proclamation to Mr. Buju Banton for this his long life dedication to uplifting humanity through art, truth, and love.
During his acceptance speech, the reggae stalwart expressed gratitude to the city's commissioner.
Destiny, Mama look from when you call it. Destiny, Mama look from when you call it. I want to rule my destiny. First, I want to say thanks to the Most High God who make all things possible. For me, it's not and has never been an easy road. I want to thank the mayor and the various commissioners. Thank you very much for inviting me to your place of business. I want to thank the citizens of Lauderdale Lakes. And Miss Maxwell Williams, I want to say thank you very much.
The city of Lauderdale Lakes proclaimed February 10 as Buju Banton Day, honoring his global impact and contribution to reggae's legacy.
I don't stand here to represent Buju Banton. I stand here to represent the whole culture. Amen. And to show youths who are behind us that no matter what happened to you in life, you still have the handle. You still get calm and rule your own destiny.
Now, on the international scene, Dawson's Creek stars lead tributes to James Van Der Beek following his death. In a post on Instagram, his co-star Katie Holmes remembered his bravery, compassion, selflessness, and strength, as well as his appreciation for life. Co-star Busy Phillips wrote, James Van Der Beek was one in a billion, and he will forever be missed, adding that the news has left her sad. Now, other stars who reacted to Van Der Beek's death include Reese Witherspoon, the executive producer on the Legally Blonde prequel, in which Van Der Beek will posthumously star. She said she was devastated by his death and wrote, "What an extraordinary man who was talented and also showed great kindness and grace in every action. Praying all the angels watch over his family during this difficult time." Now, Van Der Beek was diagnosed with cancer in the latter half of 2023 and revealed the news in November of 2024. The star played Dawson Leary in the hit TV show Dawson's Creek, which ran from 1998 to 2003 and also starred in other shows and films, including Varsity Blues. Now, Cardi B is prepared to jump ice for her fans. During her first night of the Little Miss Drama tour, the Grammy-winning rapper warned what would happen if I showed up at her concert.
If ice come in here, we're gonna jump it. They sit in my face. Let's go.
Cardi, along with many other celebrities, have been vocal in condemning ICE and its enforcement tactics, especially in wake of protests taking place across Minneapolis, Los Angeles, and other cities. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.